YouTube, what's going on? Your weekend gardener out here in the fall. It's getting chilly, and I have this pomegranate that's ready to be pulled. This is my Surh Anor. It's a Russian pomegranate, and the splitting actually occurred today. Yeah, the splitting wasn't here yesterday. All right, so I'm gonna pull this. Stay tuned for a taste test. First pomegranate.
$2,000 later.
Get it out your system.
I like everything.
You on my shot. You on my shot, homeboy. Go play. Sit. There you go. Good dog. Okay, your weekend gardener here with Evie, and of course somebody else wanted to get into the shot, but this is like a part 2 or continuation of the video I did the other day where I picked the Surh Anor, our one and only pomegranate that grew this year. And I'm glad I picked it because what happened was it started splitting. Hopefully you can hear me good with the wind blowing. I know. What's up? What's that? What's that? All right, look. So I'm glad I picked this because it started splitting. Not a lot of information on the Surh Anor pomegranate. So based upon how it grew on my property, I saw the first flower, I believe it was in May. And then once I saw that it started developing into a pomegranate, that's when I covered it up with tulle. I really wrapped it up because I didn't want the squirrels to get to it. It actually held on, and today is the 21st of October. I picked this about a week ago, maybe around the 14th or so, and I put it in the fridge. So saying that is in the middle of October, that's when it's done. All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna taste test this little buddy. Surh Anor, first pomegranate grown from home, all natural, no additives. I don't know how to cut this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna peel the skin off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull the skin away. Just cut just right. If I need to, I'm gonna cut it in half. We'll see. Okay.
Super hard.
Well, yeah, it's kind of hard. It's a normal pomegranate. What I'm doing is I'm trying not to cut the seeds. I'm gonna give homeboy the skin and let him play with that. Here, play. You know, when we was kids, we used to call these Chinese apples.
Chinese apple?
Yeah. Homeboy, you in my shot. Hey, sit down.
Santa.
Yeah, Sainta.
Santa Filha.
Yeah, Sainta Filha.
Santa Filha. Hey.
Really? You not gonna Sainta?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so it didn't go as I planned, but it popped open. Look at that.
Woo!
That
Beautiful.
is nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So it's white inside and really, really red pomegranates.
Oh, this is so cool.
Let you hold that one, see how it smells. Can you smell it?
Smell forest.
Smell like forest.
Smell stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, homeboy, I'm gonna give you some so you can get out of my shot.
Very beautiful.
Here. Over there, play. Okay, so of course you get the first one. You had pomegranates before, right?
Yes.
In America, in the store, we have the brand called Wonderful. Wonderful. They're really, really red. I've seen some that are huge. I gave you some, homeboy. Stop sniffing. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and get the first one.
Let me put the watermelon on the floor.
Yeah, put them on the floor. On the floor. Yeah, stay down there, homeboy. Go play.
Let me test.
Okay, now I heard that they're sweet and tart at the same time.
Oh,
So you get the first one.
okay. Sour. Sour.
Sour.
Sour.
No sweet.
No sweet.
Wow.
The seed.
Is the seeds hard or soft?
The seed is hard
Uh-huh.
and little.
Little. Okay, this tree is just about a year old. I bought it last year around this time. I bought it at the highest height or the largest tree they had. I think it was like 6 to 7 feet. So I bought one that was like ready to go, and it actually fruited and flowered. Well, flowered and then fruited in the same year.
Oh, cool. That's
So-
awesome.
But usually the first fruits, I don't think they're too tasty, and then after that they get better and better. But we'll know by next year. So,
Take the seeds.
so what do you give it? Scale 1 to 10.
7.
7. Okay.
7.
All right. I'm gonna be a little bit more daring. Seeds. You know what? I really like this.
Yeah, I really like it.
I really like it. Not saying I like it because it's mine, but it's it's a good feeling to grow your own food to where you don't have to go out grocery shopping to buy it. And this is what I always encourage. You know, grow some food, whether it's a peach tree, which is easy, pear tree, something that will grow that you can eat on your own, and then if
No chemicals.
no chemicals. And my thing is this: next year, I don't have to buy pomegranates because, I don't have to buy pomegranates because next year I'm gonna have my own. So I'm gonna scratch that off my list. I give this, I'll see you back, homeboy. I give this, I give it an 8.
8.
I give it an 8. The sourness doesn't bother me. Got little, got little white seeds. You can't eat this. Ain't you greedy? You know what? Your dog is, he's part pig. I know he's part pig.
It's your dog.
He's not 100% Yorkie. Yeah. You part, yeah, there you go, man. Yeah.
Okay.
So, if I saw this tree again,
Okay.
I would buy this tree.
Yeah, I agree.
I would buy this tree. This is actually good. Like I said, I'm growing my own. I love it. So
I love it too.
the rest of these going for snacks. I'm gonna finish this today. Your weekend gardener, Homel,
Homeo.
Evie,
Bye, guys.
aka Greedy Dog. Nope. We don't do that.
Kiss the daddy. Kiss
No,
the daddy.
we don't do that. No dog licks. I don't play that. Next time, homeboy, we'll have something for you. I forgot to say, hit that thumbs up and that like button. Show your boy you like him a little bit. Show him you like him a lot. There you go. See, that's what I like to see. Behavior. Sit down. Relax. Enjoy.
Stop thinking food all the time.
I think he dream about food. Well, this is good. I mean, it's not sweet at all, but it's not on the tart level. It's not really that tart.
It's really good. Yeah, save the seeds.
I put them in the ground. Yeah, nature doesn't organize seeds. Say, I want one here, one there, one here. The dog is greedy. He ate the seeds.
Hey,
We're supposed to be saving the seeds, homeboy, not eat them.
I don't believe.
I believe it. He part pig. I'm out.